Stay in. Welcome to my house, baby. Take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't.
Beekeeper 16 here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Pillow Beekeeper 2. So. Here we got the cube. So we can this up. Oh. Pamphlet. Algorithms. There, and then here's the cube. So, let's try first turns. Good cube. Try corner cutting. So it can do pretty good, but I'll have to loosen it and tension it. And I'm kind of short on time right now, so this video is going to be fairly short. Here's the box. It's a good holder, and then the whole pamphlet. How to solve it, and then all the cubes they have, cube 7 and stuff. So yeah, the screws to tension it, so probably tension it after. So that's gonna be it for this video, and bye.